Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. We're going to do a walk around on this 2020 Isuzu NPR HD. Stock number is 42075 if you'd like to take a look at our website. Before we jump into this walk around, we want to make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, so every time we put new equipment online, you'll be notified and you can check it out. We bring our trucks in from customers' trade-ins and from our leasing departments. We bring the trucks in, we do a 150-point check. We go through the cabs, bodies, lift gates, tires, brakes, engine, transmission fluids. Any discrepancies that are found, we run them through our medium shop and our body shop. Once that's done, we do a test drive, QC, clean up, and put them online for our customers to take a look at. As we said, this is a 2020 Isuzu NPR HD. It's got the gas engine. It's a 14.5 GVW truck. This truck's pretty unique. It is a 2020, but it's only got 2,100 miles on it, and it's set up with the spray rig on the back. We brought this truck in. It does have a fresh engine oil filter, and fuel filter on it, so you know getting into this truck, you're going to be ready to roll. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. As with all low-cab Ford trucks, they're really easy to get in. This truck's got a nice captain's seat for the driver. It's got a two-person bench seat, so you can put a crew of 3 in here. With low-cab Fords, you got that great outward visibility, but the forward visibility, which makes it really nice, because compared to a truck with a hood on it, you've got a lot shorter wheelbase, a smaller footprint, a whole lot more maneuverable for your guys to get in. And as you can see, with only 2,100 miles, this truck looks virtually brand new. We've got the AM, FM, CD player, cruise control, AC, heat. This truck's ready to go. As we said, it is gas automatic, so it's very easy to operate. Let's take a look at the business into the truck real quick. A lot of people aren't aware of this, but here at Industrial Power, we've been an Isuzu dealer for over 30 years. So we know what it is to give service before, during, and after the sale of these trucks. This particular truck has got a real fleet 10-foot van body or spray body on it. It has got a 600-gallon tank. It's got the fiberglass side compartments. The front compartment goes all the way across. They got gas struts. The back one has a little cabinet in it. It's got 2 self-winding hose reels on it. There's a 600-gallon tank. It's got a 150-gallon tank. It's split 100-gallon, 50-gallon. We've got 2 Honda 5.5 horsepower engines on the back with 2 Comet pumps. It's got the filters on the back. It does have a fertilizer ramp to put your fertilizer buggy up on the back of it. On this side, we have the same configuration. We just left the doors down so you can see what it looks like with the doors down on it. And so you can take, and we can wrap the sides of this truck and the cab of this truck, turning that fuel money into advertising money while you're rolling down the road. And one more really important thing we've done, we have got the cat cage on here to protect your catalytic converters from being stolen. This unit's working really well for us. Again, we've got a really nice 2020 Isuzu NPR HD gas with the 10-foot Real Solutions body with the 600-gallon tank and the 150-gallon tank. 2 pumps, 2 self-winding hose reels. You can go to our website, iptruck.com, go to our Facebook page, and go to our YouTube channel and hit that subscribe button and that like button. So every time we're putting new product online, you'll be notified. If you'll give us a minute, we're going to tilt the cab on this truck, start it up, and give you a little more intimate walk around of the truck so you get a little better feel for it. And as always, we appreciate your time.